Hello, Mzansi Itokosoko. On Wednesday, Dada Morero, the mayor of Johannesburg, arrived with his team from Johannesburg Metropolitan Police Department to inspect Marble Towers. The purpose of this visit was to warn business owners and the people operating there to remove illegal structures and trading spaces. When they arrived at Marble Towers, they discovered members of the SAPS, being the South African Police Services, already on the site. A formal meeting then took place behind closed doors and cameras were not allowed inside. After the meeting, journalists were given a tour around Marble Towers, showing some of the conditions inside the building and surrounding areas. Apparently, Marble Towers have been identified as one of the hotspots linked to illegal trading, overcrowding and criminal activities in Johannesburg CBD. Reports say city officials previously faced resistance there during their earlier operations. After leaving Marble Towers, Dada Morero and his team returned to small streets to continue their operation and unfinished business. The city has already demolished more than a dozen of illegal structures on Small Street as part of its campaign to clean up CBD and restore order and enforce city bylaws. The mayor also revealed that the city may request support from South African National Defence Force for future operations around Marble Towers because officials allegedly experienced violent resistance there in the past.
Hey, bathukile bagijima bavala amashop bayafonelana bathi valani and we are not here for that. We're really not here for that. Asiluthi thina sithatha iy'hloko zabantu, but we are just saying we need people ukuthi babe kuma-shops kahle bazobhadala bazobhadala kahle uSARS. That is what. La or the next passage? Next passage. Are you saying here? The next one. Let me go check. We are being told we must go upstairs. So I'm going to look for the steps. We are looking for our steps. That brother says Angap. That's why we are talking about MC. Now my steps. Chief of Staff, here's the steps.
This morning, Silai Marble Towers. Marble Towers is very famous for lawlessness, and they fight. So we're prepared to fight with them if they want to fight us. Ogwetu is to make sure we install what we would have wanted to install as the city of Johannesburg, which is law and order. Our ultimate, they must feel safe to walk on the streets. Like Marble Towers, now we are structures the way we corner, and we can't allow that to continue happening under our watch. So we are here this morning with our teams, the mayor and the MMCs, and they were going to be here the whole day. We are simply saying to them, we are not happy with.
What is it that we want? These are offices, I think we must go up. Yeah, it's more like offices. What's happening?
Police here. Subs.
There's subs here.
Yes. And it's still here.
I see the sign there by the door.
Maponesa? Yes. In this building.
Yeah,
Subs
Yes.
and subs allows that legality of the Tuesday. When anything that's outside the building, all those structures, otherwise, I return not Tuesday. I go. The corruption in the
Not all of us. Okay, Bahlali, I've been asked not to take videos or to take subs. I carry on with the so I'm not going to take videos or pictures of that. But yeah, their color. We are very much surprised that such activities are taking place here. But I want to continue with the stairs and go check what's happening upstairs. Let me go check. What's happening upstairs? You saying upstairs what's happening?
What's happening?
I'm shops again. Yeah, push put some shops. They're doing nails here. They're selling products. Looks like a doctor that has what's this selling products?
Storage.
Well, it looks like it's Korea.
Hello.
Ninjani. Shop. Kya Korea ngapha ekhaya?
Yebo.
Oh. Niletha la bese bani Korean.
Yebo. Thina uwethilo kwethekelo.
Oh, okay. All right. No, thank you so much. I'm good, and how are you? All right. Yeah, no.
Now, Sir, I empilweni.
Bayanceda kodwa tata. Bayanceda kodwa.
Bayanceda bona ngoba ngigula namanzi za.
Yeah.
Hayi right manje.
Beba usizo umuphi doctor?
Hayi ngeza lena.
Yini lena?
Anti kunalamanzi lana abanazo kodwa basifundisa. Lamanzi ana oxygen. Hayi ngafunda nje zonke izona izolwezi.
Abaduri ma.
Hayi zona siduri.
Okay. Ndayiplug bangani bathi kuyaphilwa ngapha. Kuyaphilwa amanzi wathwathi. Ngapha hey Jesus ingabe. Kune laboratory ngapha. Kuthathwa amagazi bangani. Hey Jesus. Nginewazi. Oh yiyo le water le. And how much per bottle oil? How much do you sell it? Oh, it's just a drive. Lapha ya mosingone ngathi storeroom, ngathi baya Korea.
Oh, no.
Yeah, straight. Which is different to shoot from la.
Yeah, no, this is something else. And then this was.
Oh, come on, water, kahle.
That's water. Yeah, water stuff.
But why do you make 15 days in sizophila?
What's this one fragrance?
Hi sis. Doing okay?
What's this?
Makele services, sauna, ultrasound, medical fitness, oh my god. Computer maintenance, okay. Morning, Papa. It's going on, John. It's printing.
This is supposed to be offices.
Hey, yeah, by the marble towers there. Hey, Buffett.
Who owns this building?
You don't remember Dala ngiyazangazofuna title deed in this building. But ngabuya ngelinye ngayithola seyilento esingayazi. As aren't you going up again just to see what's happening? Because we need to give them to say go upstairs. Siyaqhubeka abahlali baseJohannesburg sizondokolo sin plug nje siyasiza asizobasebenzisa as for Tina let's not make sure it looks like it's a battle of health centers. So up here it's offices, open spaces, not much of this is so yeah, laba bayifunela nje lemikhukhu yabo bafuna open space laba bazofaka khona amavrandi sokuyistore or bafake icontainer sokuyistore. Hey la ngathi buka kwenziwani labazalana. Hey, you want to go in and ask?
No.
Hey, let's hit it. Oh yes, it's a kitchen, marble towers. It's a little kitchen, marble
So what kind
towers.
of food are you selling?
That's what we're talking about. Let me check here, Bangani. What's going on? Oh, these are herbal products.
Go.
While we're busy in your operation, we will also plug you, Bangani. We will plug you. This is, I want the name, Alito Kitchen, right? This is Alito Kitchen. They are selling African food?
Yes.
Okay, this is Alito Kitchen. They are selling African food. It's a cozy place to be, very private. You can come and have your lunch here.
Serving lunch and only lunch.
They are only serving lunch. Yeah. Do you have a menu?
Not yet.
Not yet. Okay. Because I was gonna show the Johannesburg viewers your menu so that they can come support you. Yeah. But now that you don't have,
So where were you
tough luck.
before we came here? Or just started here?
They out of Joburg.
Yeah, out of Joburg.
Tata and Tuchela and Tasekai.
Now we come taste your food some other day, yeah? You're welcome.
Igama sihlushwe yini sizodlula zonke itori sizaziyo sizodlala. Ukhona nama-conveyance labangani kunama-lawyer
Kitchen, salon.
nakho nayi-plug connect. Are we using the stairs going down?
Yeah, then we
some exercise.
But now, obviously, if you start seeing open spaces, that means going up, it's more open.
Yeah, I guess so. Going back to join the mayor, Johannesburg residents. We're on the first floor now.
Yes. Yeah. So the lifts are not working. Let's go down.
They are working as chief. Hey, you'll never know. That's why that's it. We are from upstairs. Yeah, there's only offices there.
There's only some few businesses and offices. Yeah, 5 o'clock, yes.
5 o'clock in the morning. 5 o'clock in the morning. All right. Did you hear that, Johannesburg resident? Sizawube sila from 5 ekuseni on Tuesday. Oh no. Bakhona bayazi. Yeah?
All Ethiopians, yeah.
Yeah, it looks like it's
No,
all of them. Hey, please, Mtasi, siyacela. I can't even respond to the questions for now. Masengimile ke. Ngiza try to respond to what you guys are asking. Manifrons uthenga eMarble Towers amani ukuzanithenga before Tuesday banganeni stoka eMarble Towers. How much are these? Yeah, 35.
She said they're outside now.
Media house has arrived. Kahle kanjani abogeli bakhona bathungu? That's a shame. Mama stengi khapha bangani. Angithi nababona basifakela nje ama-container wabo basihloniphi sibuyele small ke bangani. We have given them a warning, all of them. We are now going back to small to finish off what we have started. Basebenzi. Teshi.
Now they say they're heading back to where they were yesterday. That's where we came from.
is nice. Ufuna bani? Khona ngimlethayo. Yeah. There's no way ngingezi. Ngiyezwa bathi hayi bo sise-TV yabo sibukelani. Ngiyasebenza. We are going to demolish all of this today. Yes, demolition all of this Bahlali. This is Johannesburg. Remember I told you about these structures? Uguti, we are still waiting for amaphepha. But if I were this, so namhlanje ngathi hayi seziyakhala ke sizohlangana ecourt mangabe kunjani. We are going to demolish these structures eziphakathi kwendlela. It's 1, 2, and 3. All right. The executive mayor uthi sabamba i-meeting nabo, so ucela singashuthi. So yeah, this is the work that we have done. Bekanisokwazi nokupaka imoto lana bathungu siyoqedelela ukucleana laphayana today. Siqedelela ukucleana. This is the work that we have done this week. Look at the cleanliness, the space that we have. Shayumo, yes, more like literally. Mangitumoya, I really mean like. Umuntu ozobamba inkunzi, umbona says so. And umbona says. Umbona says. Yazini. Let's go and show abahlali base Johannesburg who didn't join in the past 3 days, and just show them the work that we have done. I'm even free to hold my phone in this manner, a small street. Look at that. This is not so love. Yazi bese kaqhela iplaza ifake ne-fence. Yo gugwa kiss through. So yeah, we will clean up what we have demolished here today. We're gonna clean up. We are still waiting for Bobcat or ETLB to come and assist us. You see the cleanliness. It's a small shy more. It's never very clean Bahlali, base Johannesburg. So yeah, zabuya second half. Masesipis. Other side sisters, which side baby, which side my darling? Ngibonisa wonke nje ama side mntana kithi. Angithi ngishilo ngathi nali hotela lethu. Yabo bahlali bajabulile ukuthi sibathinele bahamba free and small. Nali hotela lethu bahlali, which is the side of Uchipi Street. Yeah. This used to be hotel, and the side la Pritchard, le Methodist Church behind Ecod. This is the side Sigulo. So yeah, this is. I'm happy that I think you are happy when you say both sides now you will understand what is Sigupi. It's a small street between Uchipi and Pritchard. We are finishing off. Upastamu people say Poshli Chef God. It's still too much on Amasengane. Yes, my darling.